Alright, so I'm doing a follow me, and the winds are actually very strong, but we'll see if this thing can actually keep up. Oh, winds are hella strong. It's trying. Let's see. I'm actually really impressed how the camera stays so stable, even though you guys can't really see like how the wind is pushing, but like the wind is really strong, and like the camera, like the end result, like footage is actually really good. I'm really impressed. The downside of having so much wind is that there's so much wind noise that it cuts off my voice, so it doesn't record it on the footage. Oh yeah, it's struggling. That's crazy. I don't know if you guys can pick this up, but there's definitely wind warnings and everything. Despite throwing off so many wind warnings and lower altitude and like emergency landings and all this kind of stuff, like the drone did more than well, and I'm really impressed. Like just how stable it is, and like the tracking never failed, even though like you can hear the drone struggling. So I'm really impressed.